Oh man, I just dug the camera back out because now look at the shit. It was like a delayed reaction. Oh my god. And it was starting to go away and then all of a sudden it just surged through, man. That's where we were rappelling. Jeez. Now, if we were in the potholes during this, we'd be in serious trouble. Oh my gosh. And like there's still blue sky up there now. We had a little bit of hail, a lot of thunder and lightning, and then we got all this. Amazing. I'm going to be happy to push the OK button on the spot tonight. Oh my gosh. Look at that churning down there. This is how the canyons form. We didn't expect anything like this today. I mean, what's the date today, you guys? I mean, it's like, what is it, October 20-something, or what's the date? What? Oh, okay. Yeah. It's late October, man. Halloween's next week. I'm a little intimidated by just getting out of here. But we're going to wait for a really long time, I think, just to be sure that it's going to be safe. But we're almost at the end of the canyon anyway. That's the good thing. Got plenty of food. Got some good water. We can wait this out. Man, this is just amazing. This is why you don't want to be in a canyon when it rains. And that's like turning into a full-blown river down there now. That was dry walking. That was sand, man. You could walk on that. Sun's coming out up above. Like those pools over there now, they were running really hot at first. Now they're drying up. And this one's the one that had the delayed reaction, the main pothole stream. Okay, well, I'm going to turn this off.